everyone, welcome to Tarot Reading Zone. I'm again here for the live tarot card reading tonight. I request you all to join today's live reading session. Hi Ruchi. I'm trying to get in touch with you. Please share the video with others, host watching the video. Hi Vishaka. I'm waiting for everyone to come online. You will join my watch party as well. Yes, I'm all ready and set for the reading. Welcome you all. I'm Veronica. I had been there last week for the first live tarot card reading session. Welcome you all once again, and I'm all set with my cards, ready for the reading. Recently, I have launched Dream Interpretation as my new service. You can check out my services on my page Tarot Reading Zone. It's there on Instagram as well as on Facebook. Okay, already there are a lot of messages pouring in. Please share the video, let others also join, host watch parties, let your friends join in. Hi Kritika, Ramchandran. Marriage. Please frame the questions perfectly. It should look like a question. My marriage and career. It doesn't make sense. What do you want to know? Please ask one question, and that question should be sensible enough. I should be able to make out what you are trying to ask me. Hi Ruchi, my son Akansh, about his studies and career. He's in 12th grade. I'm still waiting for the questions to be framed appropriately. Please ask one question and frame it properly. I hope you guys can hear me. Yes, I think you are already able to hear me. Hi, this is Nana. I just want to know, when will I grow financially? Okay, I think I should start reading because people are already there. Lots of questions are pouring in. And some of the cards are popping up. So I'll take up your question. Ruchi, there is no question. Kritika, no question. Ruchika, yeah. About the studies of your son, let's see how is he doing. Whatever I can make out. He's on a crossroad trying to figure out what to do, what not to do. I think he's a little confused about his career, and I would suggest you as a parent or a guardian, please support him and help him to clarify what he is supposed to do further. And he seems to be quite diverted. He's not focused into the studies, and things seem to be hanging on for a while. Right, so help him in his studies, help him to chalk out what he wants to do further, or in the in the studies as well. So he seems to be on a crossroad. Kritika, please frame the question again. Hi Manuela, please frame the question. Okay, Nana, let's pick up your question. Your question is, I just want to know, when will I grow financially? I have salon and I am makeup. Nana, there seems as in you are in trouble right now. You must be knowing it will take a while. You need to work upon your skills, and you need to wait patiently for the time. As yes, your family is in support with you, and later in the later stages, probably an year or so, you need to wait for the things to change in your favor. I would suggest you stay connected with your loved ones who are in support of you, and that will help you to come out of the current phase and achieve whatever you want to. But I would suggest that you need to be patient, and your future is pretty good, and very soon, I mean, this year is almost, people are suffering, all are stuck in home because of the lockdown thing. So be patient and go ahead strongly and firmly, steadily. Vishakha, financial stability. I hope, Nana, my reading helped you to clarify the air. Okay, who's next? Vishakha, again, please frame your question properly. What do you want to know regarding financial stability? I can... Okay, Kritika, I'll just take up your married life for now. I would recommend everyone to please host a watch party and share the video as much as possible. And thank you for watching the video. Kritika, your married life. Either you are seeing someone or you have an offer for marriage at present, and things seem to be fine. Things are fairly good in the future. If I talk of your marriage, your Prince Charming is going to be quite supportive and loving towards you, and there is nothing to be bothered about. And if finances are troubling you, that would be sorted out in the with the passage of time as the things will proceed. So be happy, cheer up. Hi Pooja. Financial situation. Pooja, what do you want to know regarding your financial situation? Hi everyone, I request you all, please frame the questions properly. Don't just write down the keywords. I'd be in a better situation to guide you correctly, I mean, I can be very precise with your answers if you are precise with your questions. Frame your questions completely. Otherwise, I'll have to skip your questions. Hi Manuela, I want to know why I'm feeling a lot of obstacles in my life. Manuela, kindly give me your date of birth. Yes, there seems to be a lot of problems. See, the time is not good. This is the reason why you face a lot of obstacles, but very soon the phase will change. Your destiny is going to play the role to change the things for you, and obviously you need to work upon yourself as well. I don't know in what regard you are asking this question. So if it is all about work, you need to hone your skills, right? So that you can give in your 100% and achieve whatever you want to achieve. If it is about your relationships, then obviously destiny is going to have a fair play. Hi Maria. Hi Faiza. Hi Alok. Hi, this is for my friend Shubham Maurya, is pursuing MBA, will be good this year. Okay Alok, I'll take up a question. Hi Shota. Kritika, I have already answered your question. It will be good. Your married life is going to be good. The person you are going to get married is going to be good. So obviously I see that your married life is going to be good. This is about Alok. I think your friend is facing some obstacles. Things are hanging on or have delayed in his studies. Some delays, I see obstacles. Yes, if he'll work out on his own. I mean, if he would really intend to come out of whatever the problems or whatever the things are holding him from pursuing MBA or whatever, in whichever regard you are asking this question regarding his studies. The key is he need to work upon everything which is holding him back, and definitely he'll come out as a winner. So whatever you want to achieve regarding his studies, you want to do it, or if the things are on hold, the things will be sorted out, situations, obstacles will be removed, but he has to work, and that is the key. Okay. Hi Monica. What do you want to know regarding your financial situation? You must be aware of your financial situation. How can I help you in clarifying? Please frame the question. And somebody asked me what are my services. You can check out all the services. They are there on my page, all the details regarding all the services. And recently I have launched a new service, that is dream interpretation. All of you must be seeing dreams on daily basis, and we take them lightly at times. Some of the dreams shake us, right? Those dreams carry a very strong message related to our waking life. So I would suggest, don't take the dreams lightly. Try and interpret them. Try and relate to your wake life, and you'll get a lot of things which are being clarified or which are being sorted out through your dreams. So if you want my help, you can take my service in the interpretation of your dreams, and those dreams can really be the key to sort out or to get an insight into your prevailing situations at present. Anyways, I'll move on with my reading. And hi Shweta. There are a lot of messages which are being repeated. Hi Jasleen. I see a lot of you had been there during the last reading session. Thank you for coming again. Change in location, Shweta. Let's see if it is there sooner or not. Something has shook your life at present. Is this the reason why you are looking for change? See, I see a very positive change, upcoming positive change in the future. You might not relocate somewhere else, but if you wish, you may relocate, but in the nearby zones. Definitely, I see a change in maybe career or a new relationship coming into your life that would change your perspective, or it may be something new which is, or you might be following your hobby or something which interests you and would excite you towards your coming future, and you're going to begin something new. Probably a new project, a new relationship would be there, or something new which is going to fetch your attention and would be good for you, obviously. Please do write in your comment if your answers are really being helpful and if you can resonate with the answers. Do give me a feedback, that will be really encouraging. Okay, I'll take up some more questions. Hi Shraddha. Business as a wellness coach, when I will grow in this business and it is good as my career. Let's see, whatever you are doing in business as a wellness coach, would it be good enough for you? hope that was not an impulsive decision to come into this business. Yes, don't be like too much stuck. This is my advice. Don't be too much stuck in your comfort zone. If that needs some risk taking, please move ahead. Have faith in your abilities and take the support of the loved ones or those who are in support for you, and definitely you will make good out of your business. Most welcome, Kritika. Rohini, will I have... Okay, will you be able to conceive? Let's see. Very fair chances. Whatever the situation is, I'm not looking into this. Why haven't you conceived so far, Rohini? So if you're looking to conceive, very, very, very fair chances. Be optimistic and be hopeful about it. Hi Jaspreet. Hello ma'am. When will we get our own home? Jaspreet. Jaspreet, are you trying to relocate to have your own home? If yes, things will happen suddenly, in a flash, right? Things will change. You may move or relocate somewhere else to new horizons. Wherever you are, you might not stay there or in the nearby vicinity. I see going to far off land, and by the next year you may see things manifesting or giving you hints regarding the change of your home. Hi Amit, your date of birth is this. Sorry Amit, your question is not clear. Your date of birth is this, having a child. So you have a child. Please tell something about. Sorry, I missed it. Monica, I'm having tough time, no job. Monica, please repeat your question or it will flash later. Hi Jaspreet, hi Veronica. Same name. Hi Priya Singh. Okay, let's see how are coming months for you, Priya. I see some major change in your life, though you might have to wait for the right results. It might be a new relationship or new job probably. If you're looking for work or relationship, I see it coming in the coming few months, yes, but I would suggest please be positive. I see a lot of pessimism in you, and you might be feeling at present that things are like stuck and things are not moving, but yes. Oh sorry, it was your past. I see someone coming into your life for sure in the coming future, but I would suggest you to be a little more optimistic than what you are at present. What has like, maybe your current situation is like forcing you to feel that way, but the things are not going to stay that way. So be optimistic and things are going to be good in the coming future, and ups and downs are part of life. You should take it in your stride. Hi Manju, Sonam is my daughter. Please frame the questions properly. I'm not able to understand a few of you. Facing financial problems since long. Neeta Prasad. Okay Neeta, I'm going to take your question. See, I'm trying my best to take up all the questions, so if I may skip someone. You are facing certain problems, and those problems are going to be removed very soon, magically. Just see, wait and watch. Hi Swati Ajay. Please ask one question. There are many questions, Swati. You need to put up single question so that I can take it up. Hi Sonakshi. Hi Monica. Planning. Lots of questions. Please ask me one very important question you'd like to ask from me right now, because I cannot take up your questions in detail. If you want a detailed reading regarding something which is really bothering you, please get in touch with me, get personalized sessions. Right now just put up something which I can take up in live reading. Hi Vidhi. Hi Jasleen. Jasleen, please send your questions. I'm sorry. You wanted to know regarding marriage. Sonakshi, when are you going to get married? Let's see if it is there in the near future. I see a few problems underlying, right, regarding your marriage, and you need to finish up pending projects in order to move ahead. So wait for a while, at least for 1.5 years, for marriage, a good marriage proposal to pop up. Though you might get a few proposals, but I would suggest please don't be in a hurry. Hi Rasleen Kaur, how are you? Happy Tarot Day. Thank you. Everyone who's trying to connect with me for personalized reading right now, please, I would suggest connect with me post the session, post live session. Hi Anita Prasad. Hi Jasleen. Okay, Swati, I need one question. Hi Rupal. What you are doing, though I'll just see how's going to be your professional life, right Rupal? I'll just see. Oh, it seems to be really good. Something is holding you back. Is it your relationship? Okay. Please be strong, I'd suggest. At present, I see something is bothering you, right? And this phase has to end to have a new phase. So you might be facing a few problems right now. Rupal, this is regarding you. I would suggest you to be strong and wait for the right time. Planets will change and things will change for you for sure, and in your favor, and you will see the sunshine. Do appropriate homework for your career, right Rupal? Hi Jasleen. I still... Okay Jasleen, let's see, when are you going to get married? Jasleen, very soon you might be having an offer in your hand, is it? And things seem to be fairly good. Anytime, if during lockdown, if it is possible, go ahead, or post lockdown you can go ahead with your marriage. And if you haven't got any proposal yet, a very nice proposal is on the way. Okay Jasleen? Juhi, could you tell me about my financial situation? What do you want to know regarding your career, financial situation? Hi Pooja. Hi Vanishri, want to know outcome of your pregnancy, as in? Are you facing some problems regarding your pregnancy? Yes, there seems to be. So if you're looking forward to pregnancy, just I would suggest to be a little careful. Don't be hasty or careless. Probably you might have faced a little problems in the past that are affecting your state of mind at present, so you need to be a little careful. Rasleen Kaur, you're waiting for so long for what? Yes, Vanishri, I've just answered you. You need to be extra careful for the positive outcome. Hi Himali. Hi Chitra. Please frame your questions properly. Hi Rasleen. What do you want to know, Rasleen? One card for what? Okay, Ruchika, I'll take up your question. Let's see what's the situation of your relationship. See, are you really looking forward for reconciliation? Either your husband or somebody who is domineering and believes in orthodox methods is going to affect your future, and you need to work upon it in order to reconcile the things. Though I see things are not that smooth. But if you try hard, if you try and convince your husband, he might reconsider coming back to you. Hi Tanya. Hi Vandana, Amisha. Amisha, I'll take up your question. Things are almost ripened, and what are you waiting for? The time is good. Probably you are confused, and if you want to go ahead with marriage, you can go ahead with the marriage thing. Or I hope there is no second offer in the queue, because probably that's confusing you, and this is the reason. Though with the current boyfriend, if you want to get married in Upima, you can. Things are fairly good. Thank you, Purvi. I can see what's the situation of your husband's career in the coming future. Yes, your husband's career is on a ripened state. Everything is in order. Things are ready to, give you fruits and results. And everything is going to be very good in the coming future. He'll earn good, he'll have a reputation, he'll make good of his resources, and he'll get the desired results. Everything is so good. Hi Kavita, what do you want to know? Hi Juhi. See, if things are being stuck in your career or with relationships, you see that things are good, but yet the things are not moving. Uh, Try and correct the feng shui at your home. That affects a lot. Feng shui is connected to us. It helps us to negate the negative energies around us, and feng shui is all about our relationship with our surroundings. So even if your vastu is not correct, but if you correct the vibes in your home, in different areas of your home through feng shui, that will really help you a lot to remove the blockages which are affecting your relationship or your career, name, fame, wealth, your connection with people, or your overall mindset. So you need to have a very positive surrounding in order to manifest positive results for yourself. I would suggest anybody, if looking for the feng shui consultation, you should go ahead and take heed. If you see blockages, feng shui is the really good way of negating the ill effects of the negative energies around us. And yes, I have been asked time and again what services I am offering. Yes, I am primarily a tarot card reader and psychic counselor. For detailed services, you can connect me on WhatsApp. You can check my profile on WhatsApp, or you can also check my services on my page, Tarot Reading Zone, on Facebook. Okay, whomever I'm resonating with, I'm reading for them. I request you all, please share the live video. Let your friends also join in and take advantage of this free live reading. Hi Poonam. Okay, Poonam, I'll read for you. Let's see in general what your future holds for you. You seem to be confused. Poonam, there is a good news that either if you're looking for work, it is going to come ahead. You are going to definitely get an offer, and a real good offer on your way, and probably a new relationship as well. So in the coming future, things are really very optimistic and good for you, Poonam. So cheer up and be optimistic. Do your homework, be confident, and go ahead for whatever your obviously skill is, and obviously as per your studies, you need to choose your career respectively. Hi Ruchira, messages are getting repeated. Hi Vishal. Let's see what's your financial situation. Vishal, things might, I see the past was good enough, but recently, your planets have changed and things are like being stuck for a while. But yes, your destiny has, money coming in, so it will take a certain time for the things to align correctly in order to manifest good results financially for you. So have patience, complete your current projects, and keep working. Don't be pessimistic, have patience, keep working. Hard times need a lot of patience, and nothing is permanent, so is the hard time. Hi Tanya Gupta. Tanya, you can contact me personally via WhatsApp. There is a button on my page. Contact me via my page Tarot Reading Zone on Facebook or on Insta. You will get my contact details there. You can message me and contact me personally. Off this live video, your tarot reading sessions and all other services are chargeable. Let me remind you. So kindly off this video, uh, uh, whatever you have to ask in this free live session, please ask me right now. Ashi, what do you want to know? Please frame your questions. Kranti, all of you must be thinking I'm again and again saying frame your question correctly, and I'm just getting keywords. Hi Vidhi, hi Kranti, hi Asha. Okay, Ruchira, I'll take up your question. Your financial situation betterment. If I see something satisfactory coming in for a while. Take the support of some elderly person or somebody who is a fatherly figure or who can be your guardian and of any help, like who is experienced. You need to wait for a while for the things to change, Ruchira, for the financial betterment. I see your current phase is not that promising. You need to really wait for a while. Yes, things are going to change by probably next year. Vidhi, let's say financial stability. Kranti, possibility of change. Okay, Kranti, I'll take up your question first. Very fair chances if you're looking for a new job. Yes, you might get a new offer, but don't lose it because of some careless mistakes of yours. Things will come forward speedily, so try and grab the opportunity if you're really looking forward to change. But I see, you might make some mistakes. Something might delude you for the right decisions. So just be very cautious. Look for all the prospective opportunities coming your way, and you can definitely change your job. This is for Kranti. Hi Preeti. I have already answered you, Preeti. Swati, your professional status now and in the coming future. Okay, coming future is very promising, Swati. You might achieve stability and security professionally in terms of finances and standing, whatever you are doing professionally, and things are falling gradually in your favor. So the future is really good and you can look forward to it. Okay, I'm looking forward to more questions. Please host a watch party, share the video, let others also join and benefit from the video. If you want to connect me for personalized readings, you can connect me via Facebook page Tarot Reading Zone. And you can check out all the services available which I am offering via my page. Every detail is there. And if you wish, you can write down your reviews over your readings. That would be really helpful for others to find out how they have helped you. Hi Rasleen. When you get a new job. Okay, I'll just pick one card for you. Let's see what does your job thing say, Rasleen. Okay, things seem to be stuck at present and the phase is coming to an end, which is problematic. You are fairly balanced in life, right? Practical. Coming future is really bright, and whatever you put your hand in, that will manifest in your favor. So be it a new job, or if you are looking for a new project, if you are into business, I really see very, very good chances. Cards are really, really very positive. So please go ahead with a positive mindset. Apply as much as you want and you'll get a real good offer. Most welcome, Alok. Please take time to write down your reviews if my readings are really helpful. You can check out on my page and review section. Please review. Let others also understand how the readings are working out. You can get detailed readings as well if things are like really bothering you for a long time, be it your relationship or be it your health, be it on personal front, work, finances, anything. Kavita, card for financial status. Kavita, things are good. Oh. I don't know if you are working at present or not, but you might have to leave your current state of working altogether in order to have a new future, and you have to be really strong enough to come across the coming period. As of now, the things are fine, still fine. Why you are asking this question, I don't know. You are having some premonitions or what, but beware of, not beware, don't be afraid. It's like just be prepared for the coming future. You might be tested. Please take care, be strong, and things will move on slowly and gradually into a positive zone. Hi Manisha. Please write down your question. Kavita, I have already answered you. Hi Hafiza, want to know about my marriage, love or arrange? Let's see. Hafiza, this is for you. I see a lot of love marriages today, right? See, I see you have a proposal in hand. Is it like arranged marriage or love? Seems to be an arranged marriage, very high chances. If you are looking for marriage sooner, very high prospects of an arranged marriage. Hi Tanya, what was your question? Kranti, I have answered you. Preeti, you've got your answer. I need to really scroll through all the messages in order to find the new ones. How is your future career? What you are doing as of now, Nanda? What's your current state? Please let me know. What's your date of birth? Kruti, I have answered you. If you really want to further investigate into your questions and you really want to know the situation in detail, please get an appointment for personalized readings. That's my suggestion. These are just short readings. I can just give you quickie answers because I'll have to take a lot of other questions. This is a free live reading session, so I cannot just read in detail. Hi Sony. Please ask one question. Don't repeat the question and again if you are being answered. Most welcome Kranti. Asha Kumari. Hi ma'am, can I expect my job this year? Date of birth is 84. Hi Asha, are you working at present? I see marriage. Are you married or? I see you more focus on personal life, so if you're really inclined towards being professionally active, you need to change your mindset. As of now, I see you more focused into your personal life. Hi Kavita. Okay, I read. Hi Kashvi. I'm looking for new questions. I'm sorry, I'm not able to make out a few questions. Hi Shivani. Question. Can I see too? Hi John, what do you want to see? Your future? Hi Jyotsna. Okay, come forward with new questions so that I may go ahead with the reading. There are a lot of repetitions going on. Card for me. See, please ask specific questions if you really want my guidance. Hi Geet. Please ask me one question which is more important to you. Navpreet Kaur. Let me see. Your date of birth is sitting. Navpreet, hi Navpreet. If you're looking for marriage, really, keenly looking forward to it. I see a proposal coming forward, and if you want to get tied into a formal relationship with the person, you may. So the coming time is fruitful for marriage. I see a proposal coming in. You might consider that proposal, or you may skip the proposal as well. Though the time is fairly good for marriage. Hi Rakhi Sharma, I want to know about your future career prospects. Will it be right to make a switch from my present job as a teacher? Rakhi. Yes, you can very much look for a change in the job if you wish. I see you not very satisfied with your current job. You need to work upon fetching a new job opportunity. And there are fairly good chances if you look forward to it, if you will put in your endeavors, your hard work in looking for an opportunity. Definitely you may get a new job, and there seems to be fairly good enough chances for a change in the job. Hi N. Hi Nishu. Hi Manisha Goyal. Want to know about your owner. Let me see in general what you want to know about your house. You're going to own it or not. You really need to arrange resources and the right financial state in order to have your own house. So it will take some time because you will be a little busy in arranging the resources and arranging the finances to own a new house. So you may expect it in 1.5 years or so, if you're really working towards it. Right? I see there are some financial hurdles which are holding you from owning a house. Hi Lynn, my date of birth is this. Please, anything for me about my marriage. Anything. Let's see what anything I can say. I can tell you. Marriage seems to be at bay as of now, right? And probably you have gone through some hard time in your current relationship with someone, and you would take some time to come out of your current state of mind and then think of marriage. And this is advisable as well. You just hold on, get healed, get the things sorted, recollect yourself, get the strength, get clear headed, and then go into a new relationship. And yes, time will change abruptly, things will change in your favor altogether, though I am not seeing any marriage recently. Hi Neetika Sethi, what about my married life? When you would go out of when he would. Things are in your favor, Neetika. Everything is sorted, and I don't see any further problems with your husband. Just talk to him. You might be in some confusion, and things are in your favor already. Okay, some more questions. Hi Yadav. Hi Barkha. Hi Shivani Sharma. Hi Karina. Okay, let's see your question, Karina. You want to pursue teaching as your career. Will you be successful? Karina, I think you are more focused in your personal life, though your future is really very bright. Once you are sorted of your personal life, you'll move ahead professionally and practically, and definitely if you want to pursue your career as a teacher, things are bright and you can move ahead. Hi Nishu. General guidance. Please ask me specific questions. I may not resonate with general readings. Please share the live video, let your friends join in. Connect with me via my page for personalized readings or any other services. You might look into my WhatsApp profile, or you can also check out all the details on my page. Hi Shafali. Okay, let's see. I'm doing a general reading for you. How's your future going to be? Future seems to be really optimistic, fulfilling. You might be busy in pursuing your hobbies or taking some extracurricular activities or some classes to hone your skills, right? So that you can, so that you can move ahead strongly and firmly. Once you are done with your studies and proper homework, be sure things are 100% in your favor, whatever you are trying to do, and future prospects are really bright. I would suggest work upon yourself, get yourself ready, put in your hard work, and be optimistic. Things are really good for you. If you want to move abroad or relocate somewhere else for the work purpose, that is also a possibility. Hi Meenal. Okay, till December you want to know about your business growth. You need to wait for the things to change. Your work will get a sudden boost post this lockdown. Post this stagnant period, your work will get a sudden boost and things will change abruptly and swiftly, and you'll get the things in your favor and definitely the boost you are looking forward to. I would suggest please don't repeat your questions again and again. It becomes difficult to go through the new questions. Thanks to some of you who have brought me a smile, and I'm really loving to connect with you. Yes, there was this query with a lot of people, what is tarot reading? Tarot reading is very similar to astrology or any other occult science, which helps in predicting the future, past or present, or anything related to specific genres of your life. Tarot reading is specifically helpful in finding out the tidbits of the situation at present and in the near future, right? So that you can deeply get into the situation and get to know what is holding you back, what are the problems, what are the warnings. Tarot reading is preferably very beneficial to have a deeper insight in in regard, I mean, if you just compare it with astrology, astrology gives you a wide picture, a broad layout, but tarot reading helps you to get into the intricate details of the situation. Nanda, you are repeating your question again and again. Okay, what do you want to know? Have I not attended your question or what? Okay, let me see if you'll get a job soon or not. I hope you're already, since you have written so much, please let me know if you have already started applying for the job or not. There are certain choices and problems in hand at present. One is the security issue. You are seems to be afraid of taking certain risks which are probably required in order to jump into the work zone. Probably it's like confidence thing which is holding you back, or you're insecure, not ready for the job. And I would suggest you, Nanda, please be mentally ready, be ready with your right qualifications, right skills required for that. If you have not done your homework, please do it and apply for the jobs. Things are in your favor, it's just that you seem not to be that ready. Nanda, I have already attended your question. I hope you have got the picture correct regarding your job. Okay, Nishu, let's see how are the chances in the coming future. Things have already started changing for you and the time is really bright. Okay. Things seem to be falling apart in the last moment, right? I would advise medical attention for conceiving, Nishu. Take the right directions from the doctors and then go ahead, because things are not that bad. But I see in the last moment, as soon as you are about to begin your journey, things fall apart and disappoint you. So better you start things in medical supervision, and you might get some good news. Hi Usha. Please ask me specific questions. Please ask me specific questions. I would not randomly pick a card and advise you for anything unless I know that what you want to know. Ma'am, please suggest for my health. Hi Shivani, let's pick a card for you. Okay, let's see. How your health going to be? In the future. Shivani, I'm taking up your question. Shivani, you need to wait for the things to change on their own. Since some unknown problems seem to be prevailing, the answers will come with time only. And for a while you need to stay connected and adopt a healthy lifestyle so that you may feel better. If you could specifically tell me what's the health issue you are going through, I would have specifically told you how is it going to be in the future. A lot of questions are being repeated. Okay, Deborah, let's see if you can migrate to another country. It seems a bit challenging for you to leave your current place because there are responsibilities, there are things which are holding you back, probably the responsibilities regarding your relationship or your family, which I am prominently seeing. Some relationship issues, and it would take some time. Not sooner you are relocating anywhere else. You need to wait for some time in order to, yes, you need to wait for an year or so and check out again if you can relocate. But as of now, you seem to stay wherever you are at present. This is for Deborah. Shefali, I have already answered your question. Neha Sharma, let's see if you have a job promotion. Things seem to be dicey. Exactly the same cards I'm getting. Neha, I'm reading for you. You need to wait for some time for a real progress, right? Things might be deluding as of now, but you need to wait for some time. Okay, 5 more minutes and I will be signing off. And it's been wonderful associating with you all, guys. Connect to me if you want to have some offline readings, which are chargeable for sure. Live readings are ending with the live reading session. So if you want to ask me something, now please ask me. Sonia Puri. Okay, let's read for Sonia. Very fair chances of success. Please be optimistic and happy. Put in your 100% and you are going to achieve and reap great benefits of your hard work. Sonia, this is for you. Neha, what was the question? Hi Ria, what's the question? शिवानी, आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं है मेरे पास. Oh, okay, Shivani, your question, I'm not able to resonate with your question. Can you just let me know the situation? Okay. There are a lot of repetitions here. Please don't repeat your questions, I would suggest, so that I can come across the new ones. Because of a lot of repetitions, I'm skipping the new questions. Let everyone ask a question. Shivani, I think I read for you. Things will change in your favor with time automatically, right? Though it would be a little difficult to get over it, and you might learn to survive with this. Hi Jiva, I want new questions. Please share the video, let others also join in, although I'm about to sign out if anybody want to come up. Okay, it's been wonderful associating with all of you, and it was really a great energy exchange session. You might be wondering what is, again, I'm just clarifying for a few what is tarot reading. Tarot reading is energy based predictions. You know, you connect your energy with mine energy, and my energy is connected to the card's energy. So I pick up the card which is resonating with your energy and giving me an insight into your current situation. This is how the reading goes about. These cards are like beautiful pictures on the cards, and they have multiple meanings. So the card readers can interpret what do they want to convey, or how they can help you out. I might not be able to, not have been able to get all the questions answered. I would ask you, I request you all, please connect to me offline if you want to know something, though that would not be a free live reading. You need to book an appointment and get your readings done. Somebody is again asking me what are the services I am offering. Please go through my page. Go through my page, get the details of all the services, or you can WhatsApp me to get the details. You can check through my WhatsApp profile to get the details into all the services which I am offering. It is tarot card reading, feng shui. Primarily I am guiding through feng shui, how you can clean the air around you. You know, energy, it's all energy science, feng shui. You know, how do we connect to air, water, fire, and land energy, and all these energies need to be pure and cleansed in order to have a positive mindset and let positivity come into your life. If there are blockages into your this energy field, definitely you might face problems manifesting your dream life. So get the feng shui done if you want to. If you see blockages in your life, if you want to know about your future, past, present, or anything which is bothering you at present, you can obviously book an appointment with me, get personalized readings of the live video. It's been wonderful connecting with you all. The new service which I have launched is dream interpretation. Dreams are a real great guide, you know, into our waking life, how we are like, we get a lot of answers through the dreams. So if there are repetitive dreams, or the dreams which are very loud, which are coming to you and trying to convey some message, either you get interpreted them on your own, or you can take my services as well. Other than that, it is numerology, name change. If there are problems in the numerology of your name or your business firm's name, you can get it corrected and resonate with the respective fruit bearing numbers which are fruitful for you into your life. The numerology itself, astrology regarding different zodiacs, your date of birth, and what's your personality trait, how do you resonate with your personality trait or the personality trait of your partner or the people related to you. Thank you so much everyone for staying connected. We'll see you again. If you want to connect with me, please come across via my page. Those who have got the reading, those who have been able to resonate with me and I have been able to resonate with you, if you wish, you can write down a review on my page. Let others also get acquainted and facilitate to understand how the tarot readings are working and how they are helping you out. Thank you so much. It's been really wonderful getting connected to you. But goodbye everyone and a very good night. Thank you.